Hello, Namaskar. Hope so all of you are doing great. As I said in my last video that from now I will try to upload blog continuously, but then again I didn't get any time. Even now also I am occupied with a lot of works at a time, but then I again have to make that little time to upload and keep my channel going on. So anyway, I'm back with my vlog of 2023 again. It's 2025 now. I know it's funny kinda, but what can I do? Anyway, I am at Tripura. I'm in North now. I was at Tripura while I was recording this video. It's basically a trip with my parents, and it was great for me because this was the first trip I have gifted to them. It's not much, but I had always wish of doing something for them like this, and that was first time happened. And so basically I was coming back from Bangladesh to Banaras, and that time I just brought them with myself to Tripura, which is very near to my city. So we went to basically to the temple Tripura Sundari Matar Bari, with the name it's famous in Tripura. That is one of the 64 Shakti Pit, and that's very famous. So yeah, first I went there with my parents and also one of my masi. Definitely it was a very good experience outside Bangladesh, first time with both of my parents, because previously that also once I came to India with my mother and brother for the first time in 2019, but my father was not with us that time. And then again my father also came separately, but that was the first time I brought them with myself, and so obviously it's a good feeling. And after visiting the temple, after getting the darshan of Ma, left the temple, and then we had our lunch in a pure vegetarian restaurant. And pure vegetarian means the food will not contain onion and garlic. But apart from the Bengali community in other part of the India, they count onion garlic also veg, and whenever I look for onion garlic free food, they say that it's Jainism, but a lot of people don't have idea that it's coming from Sanatan only. Everything is coming from Sanatan. In Gita only it's mentioned about very clearly about the food item based on Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. So the onion garlic fall under Tamasic food. And so it's not because I am following Jainism, it's because Sanatan only. I'm just following my own dharma. So it's a different topic. We will have in any another video about food. Anyway, after that we are going to Nirmahal, which is the water palace. Out of two water palaces in India, one of is Nirmahal, and this is the largest water palace. Another one situated in Rajasthan, and this one is in Tripura. So first you had to take boat to reach the palace, and definitely it was another wonderful experience going to a palace by sitting in a boat. And also that day was the Independence Day of India, 15 August 2023. So finally we have reached there, and this is, I think, for water palace too is the first experience of mine. But before that I've been into another palace in Hyderabad, and experience was there because that was in the land only, not in water. So that was a different experience. This is a different experience. For me, I be very connected to nature, so my travels happens towards natures more. But at that place there was, in a day I had to leave because I had a flight at night. So not at night, even evening. So I anyhow had to go nearby, and with my parents I can go somewhere like hill stations like that. So that's why I went there. But yet it's also in between nature only, so it was a good experience. And most importantly, my parents was with me. So for me, rather than thinking any other things, it's just because I was with them, they were with me. So in that sense, it's obviously it was a good experience. I think this also I have said many times. Actually, recording later and recording video and then recording the voice note after 2 years almost, it's somewhat, I don't even remember exactly everything, but I had to match with that. So I don't even know that I have to speak in that first language, first tense, or in the present tense. So I'm mixing both of them. I hope my audience, my friends will all understand, whoever's the viewers of my YouTube channels, videos. So I know whenever I speak, I don't know whatever I speaking. I mix match everything together, whatever coming in my mouth at this moment. So yeah, we took some time to visit the whole palace because it's the area is huge. You are going from one side to another. It's not like finishing. So this mahal is built by King Bir Bikram Kishore Manakya Bahadur, and this built in the middle of the lake Rudrasagar, what I have already showed while we are coming by the boat. And in 1930 it's built and completed. I think the starting year was 1930, but then it's completed by 1938. So after visiting the mahal, as I said, I had a flight on that day. So I went to airport, and that was another difficult part for me, also my parents, because it's never happened that they come to drop me till a station or airport, whatever. It's mostly my brother be with me, or else my parents left from home itself. But this is the first time they came with me to the airport, so they were very emotional at that time. But then as I have to leave, so somehow I managed to leave. Anyway, I am ending my 2023 vlog with this video, because after that I haven't made anything in 2023, as I was going through a very tough time at that moment. So from next video you'll see me in a transformative journey, a transformative experience and transformative travel as well. So wait for that. Till then, be happy and healthy.